Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. In this tutorial, we'll explore the Asset Value Adjustment feature in the Assets Maintenance module. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to adjust the value of your assets using Parsimony. To begin, let's navigate to the Assets Maintenance module in the Parsimony dashboard. Click here to access the asset-related functions. Navigate to Asset Value Adjustment. In the list, you'll find a summary of existing records for your assets. To create a new value adjustment record, click on the Add button. In the Value Adjustment form, you'll find different fields and sections to specify the details of the value adjustment. Start by selecting the asset for which you want to adjust the value. You can search for and select the asset from your asset list. Enter the date on which the value adjustment is being made. Specify the amount by which you want to adjust the asset's value. This can be positive or negative, depending on whether you want to increase or decrease the value. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click on the Save button to create the value adjustment record. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the value adjustment record has been created successfully. Congratulations! You've learned how to use the Asset Value Adjustment feature in the Assets Maintenance module. Keep track of value adjustments for your assets and maintain accurate asset valuations with Parsimony. Thank you for watching this tutorial.